So you want to swap the door around on your Zanussi zdc37200w or similar. You have the ability to change the hinges from one side to the other. I've done all that. So the main thing is, when you get to the lock, door lock, which was outside and was wired in and is now that side, you have to take the top off by undoing the two screws at the back that go in there and there, and pushing the top back, and it'll unhook at the front. You have to fish down here where the lock was and pull it out. It's a bit fiddly. Once you've unscrewed it from the front, of course, there's two screws. There's also some tape that you have to undo to get it, the whole unit up out of there, across to the other side and down there, where it now resides. Be very careful with your cables. Make sure they're all back in the holders and can't touch the rotating drum, and you should be fine.